My name is Barry Maurer. I'm a cancer researcher at the Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center in Lubbock, Texas. For years, we've tried to come up with personalized medicine approaches to treat individual cancers in specific patients. Unfortunately, the reality is this approach costs way too much and is taking way too long. Many people continue to die from cancer. Instead, we think that a better option may be new treatments that work against different kinds of cancers in many people, much the same way that some antibiotics can be used to treat many different kinds of infections. And we believe we found just such a treatment. Our team has developed drugs that trick cancer cells into overproducing certain waxes that they normally need to grow and divide. The cancer cells get tricked into making so much of these waxes that they literally choke on them and die. Since the treatment only increases the waxes in cancer cells, normal healthy cells aren't affected. As a result, side effects are very minor compared to other kinds of cancer therapies. Patients don't get mouth sores, they don't lose their hair. They also don't get reduced blood counts that can lead to bleeding and infections. Side effects in the liver, kidneys, and other organs are also lower than with most current cancer therapies. We have already had considerable success treating certain lymphoma cancers with this new treatment, and we think it will also be effective against cancers of the esophagus, colon, and against other solid tumor cancers. We have even made lymphoma cancers completely disappear in some patients who were in hospice care. More than 4 years later, their cancers still have not returned, and we are now ready to test these drugs in a wide variety of solid tumor cancers. Our goal? To get FDA approval for these drugs so they will be available to everyone. Right now, the only thing standing in our way is the high cost of making these drugs. Cancer affects us all, ourselves, our families, our friends, and our neighbors. We don't believe that cancer will be cured by the government. While the government can help, we believe that ultimately, cancer will be cured by people like you and me, people like us, working together in our own communities to make a difference for us all. Please consider making a donation to help us make more of these new drugs for further testing. And then contact the Cure Cancer Foundation to find out how you can volunteer to fight cancer in your community. Together, we can change the face of cancer forever. Thank you for your support.